Hi, I'm Adriana Baranek and you're watching the UseWise channel. Hi, Mladen.
Hi.
Mladen is our CTO and he joins me again as we talk today about the product development in the cloud. So definitely, you most probably already know where we stand. We really love cloud and we love all the services that are there in the cloud. And product development in the cloud is a very specific area, but it is indistinguishable from other areas, basically. Can you tell us more about this, man?
So, good news is that public cloud providers are eating their own food, dog food. So, somehow, pace of development of new services is faster due to the fact that they can use number of tools and new methodologies to launch products in very rapid succession. So usually most of public cloud providers on their platforms have 100 or more new products per year, kind of dynamic. So for other companies, especially for software development, there is a huge challenge since most of the software used to be developed according to some very detailed specifications using waterfall model, and somehow it is still relevant methodology in number of industrial processes and even with software development. Fortunately, being agile and being able to be fast and to adapt to changes during the project is very well supported by public cloud providers, and they have number of tools. They work very well with such methodologies, and they provide their own flavors. So if you are thinking of speeding up and trying to improve product development results, so to achieve, for example, that you can fail your products rapidly. So if some products are not successful, obviously it would be quite beneficial that they fail in the initial phases, not when they are completely finished, wrapped up, and you have done whole investment in such a product. So there is also a number of methodologies supported. So if you come from manufacturing, so just in time things like and I don't know, Kanban and stuff like that are very well represented in some of the tools that are freely available or for very small for very small cost on public cloud provider platform. So if you are developing your products in agile way, I think it only makes sense to go that way, and that is one of the reasons why people are moving from on-prem environments to public cloud, because in public cloud suddenly you have a huge amount of APIs, of services, of tools that are readily available that is almost impossible to replicate on-prem. And there is this how to say problem with old applications that were developed using waterfall model that are now in maintenance phase, where people try to go with some hybrid solutions, but they also try to modernize those applications in order to be able to increased speed of product development. So many companies have issues because they cannot launch products either because their ERP is not capable of supporting it, or their CRM is lacking some features. So yeah, this is one area where public cloud can for sure help.
Yeah, and for sure, even if you think about the market research or getting some actionable data from information that you already have in your own system, public cloud can definitely help, because it can get you up to speed, it can get you information faster. And for instance, even if you I don't know, you employ some product development guy in your company, and then he has to wait for the on-premise guys to build his environment for days. In the cloud, everything is much simpler. Everything goes smoothly, and
yeah, I would say everything is faster. Not that it goes smoothly.
Yeah, okay.
Because you can
you
actually
can
have
make a mess
lot
out of it.
it. Yeah.
Well.
So
yeah, of course. Yeah, sure. That's where the importance of the good business processes comes in, because it's not all about the technology. And what we do for companies is not just bringing them the technology. We also understand their business needs, and business needs are always the first.
Yeah, so for example, public cloud and especially office productivity tools are very good for collaboration. That is kind of a product development fuel. And you can also leverage not only collaboration, but analytics that is available in public cloud that is usually not available on-prem, or it is more expensive on-prem.
Yeah. And even when we talk about, for instance, opening a new office, opening your operations in the new country, it's much easier if you're using already public cloud than if you have to depend on some on-premise.
Yeah, so basically, with pay-as-you-go model, you do not sink your investment in some resources that might not be needed in the future and had to be either scrapped or reused for something they are not really suited for.
Yeah. So we would like to hear our examples. Every Friday we hold office hours. So book your own office hour. You have the link in the description below the video, and we can work with you to find solutions to your problems regarding the product development or any other needs that you might have in the cloud. So the next Monday we will already be in the 2020. I wish you a very nice and very funny, prosperous, wonderful new year full of new technology. And thank you for watching.
Yep.
Thank you, Martin. Bye.